Yeah, so I'm just experimenting with QGIS, running Headlessly with agents like Codex. It's super useful. Just going to update this so I don't have to keep repeating kind of how we work. And I'll kind of just share it, but I haven't seen a lot of people talking about this yet. Okay, so it worked for 5 minutes. It updated the skills.md file, and so what it did was work through your raster examples, and it looked at the quantiles, it relabeled them, we'll see, and created the outputs here. So let's have a look at one of those. Where did those end up? Okay, so it made a little QGIS CLI test here, and we'll drag and drop one of these in. And there we go. So let's style this by symbols. Oops. Let's do the same color style as before. And like that, it worked. So it took this raster layer, made it into a vector layer. So that was all done pretty nicely. We can just look and see this skills.md file. Is probably going to open an anti-gravity here. And gave it a few notes here. So anyways, this is how I'm using Codex, which is a coding tool, instead of using QGIS to do that. That would have taken me, 5 or 10 minutes of clicking through different steps or making a processing workflow. Instead, I can ask Codex to do it and let it run in the background.